Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. In this video, we will explore an exciting feature in Power BI, Field Parameters. I will show you how to use this powerful tool to create dynamic X and Y axis in your report. Field parameters are a fantastic addition to Power BI that allow you to create dynamic visuals. It enables users to switch between different fields for X and Y axis with just a few clicks. This makes your report more interactive and flexible. As you see on my screen, we have a metric and a bar chart. And on the left hand side, we have two slicers. One is for category and the another one is for KPIs. You can see I have selected category and market, and you can see on my metric we can see market and category along with net profit. Instead of category and market, if user wanted to see this metric with some other fields, they just need to simply select the required field from this slicer. So let me unselect category from here, and instead of category, I'll select region. So now you can see that our report is showing based on region, and post region, if we want country, then we can select country, and here it will updated based on the selection. And you can see here we can see net profit. So apart from net profit, if we wanted to see net sales, we just need to click on these KPIs, then another column will be added here, and the same changes are applied in this bar graph as well. So the end user will get the entire power what they wanted to see on that particular canvas. And also we need not to create multiple visuals for different views based on different fields. Now I will walk you through how to create those in Power BI. Let me move to the next sheet. First, I will explain you how to create field parameter. To create field parameter, we need to go to modeling tab. In modeling tab, we'll get new parameter. Here we have two options, numeric range and fields. In today's video, we will discuss about this fields option. In some other video, we will explain the use case of numeric range. Let me click on fields. The parameter dialog box will open. We need to put the parameter name. So let me type categories. And in this box, we need to drag the fields from our tables that we wanted to see on a particular slicer. We have a table called Global Superstore. So from here, I just select category, city, country, market, product name, segment, ship mode, these fields. Then we need to click on create button, and this checkbox is auto enable, so that once we click on create, it will added as a slicer. So let me click on create. You can see it will added a slicer here, and we have all the fields that we have selected there. It's created table called categories. If you click on categories, you can see the structure of the field parameter. From here, you can easily modify those field parameters. If you wanted to add any additional column or field, you can add it from here. You can remove existing fields from here, or you can modify anything from here. So it is very easy. Just you need to modify or change it based on your requirement further. Let me create another field parameter based on my KPIs. So again, for the same, we will repeat the same process. We'll click on modeling, new parameters, then fields. In parameter dialog box, here we'll put a name, select KPIs. And in this box, we will select some measures. From my measure table, let me select net sales, net profit, profit margin, shipping cost percentage, total shipping cost. So based on your requirement, you can select the measures or the KPIs. Then let's click on create. Again, it will added another slicer on the canvas. Now, let me create a metric first. So I need to click on metrics. On the metric, in rows section, let's click on add data, and instead of selecting any particular field, here we will select these categories. And in value section, instead of dragging any particular measure, let me pull my another field parameters, that is select KPIs. That's it. Let me adjust the height and width properly. So by default, it added everything. So from select KPI, if we select net sales, it will show the categories based on net sale. And let me select market from categories. So on rows, we have market, and here we have net sales. Along with net sales, if we wanted to see net profit, then we just need to select net profit from here, and you can see our measures will automatically added here. Let me select another KPIs, that is shipping cost percentage. So you can see another column will be added here. Similarly, along with market, if you wanted to see segment as well, so just you need to click on that segment, and here you can see if I click on this icon, it will auto updated. So we have market, segment, net sales, profit, shipping cost. Now let me show you another use case of the same with some graph. For the same, I just select segment, and here I select net sales. So we have one categories and one KPIs. And now let me just change it to clustered bar chart. So you can see, we can see our segments here. Instead of segment, if we wanted to see market, we just need to click on market. So here we can see markets, and here we can see net sales. So instead of net sales, if we wanted to see net profit, we can click on net profit, and our visuals will auto updated. Let me show you another use case of field parameter. So let me copy this category slicer and paste it again. So once I copy and paste it, it will give us same fields, that is market and market. Let me select my second slicer and click on build option. In build option, we need to click this icon, that is data options, and here we need to click again. Here we go. Now you can see we selected market here, and we can see all the values of market. So instead of seeing all the market data, if we interested on Africa and EMEA only, so we can select this again. and let me add LATAM as well. Now, instead of market, if we wanted to see different segment, so just we need to click on segment, and here we'll get all our segments. And from here we can choose the required segment. So I select consumer and home office. So our graph will auto updated. So this is totally dynamic. But here you need to remember one thing, in this parent categories, we need to enable single selection only. Otherwise, it will throw an error. That's it for today's video on field parameters in Power BI. I hope you find this video helpful. Let us know if you have any questions on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.